Rotary's mobile columns are designed for faster and easier unboxing and setup, shipping with oil and batteries pre-installed. Once your columns have been delivered, start by removing the plastic wrap. The power cord and antenna for the lift will be attached to the plastic wrap. Make sure to remove them and set them aside. Now remove the cardboard and protective plastic from the bottom of the lift. Next, remove the shipping bracket. To do this, use a 5/8 inch or 16 millimeter wrench to remove the two nuts and bolts holding the bracket on. Then pull the shipping bracket out of the forklift pockets. Next, remove the bolt that is securing the wheel assembly using two 3/4 inch or 19 millimeter wrenches or sockets. Now, using a 1 3/16 inch or a 30 millimeter wrench, adjust the bolt on the back of the column to provide floor clearance. Tightening the bolt raises the column ride height, and loosening it lowers it. The optimal clearance is approximately 3/8 of an inch. Now, if your lift has adjustable front wheels, use a 5/16 inch or 8 millimeter Allen wrench to adjust the floor clearance on both front legs until they are flush with the surface, approximately 3/8 of an inch. Loosening the bolt raises the column ride height, and tightening lowers it. Next, get the antenna out of the information packet. On top of the lift, remove the antenna cover and thread the antenna onto the lift. Now, release the emergency stop by twisting it clockwise. To charge the columns, insert the charging cord into the charging port. Once plugged in, on the opposite side of the column, you will see a light indicating the column is charging. If the light is green, it is fully charged. Finally, remove the wire tie from the power switch, and your column is now ready to use.